How to change learning language on HelloTalk. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change the learning language on HelloTalk. So first of all, you have to go and open up your HelloTalk on your device. Once you have opened up the HelloTalk here, you have to be sure that you have a login to your account. On the bottom there you can see the me option, you have to tap on that. And here you can see your profile. On the top right, there is a gear icon. You have to simply go and tap on the gear icon. Once you are on your gear icon, to change the learning language on your HelloTalk, you have to just go for the translate target language here. So you have to just click on the translation target language. Once you have clicked on the translation target language, you have to just go for the translation message received to and you have to select your preferred language here. So here you can see that. So by default, HelloTalk translate incoming message to your native language and you can change it here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily change the learning language on your HelloTalk. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.